सो ये है हमारा न्यू ब्रह्मास्त्र इंडिकेटर एंड ओके AI charts जी okay got you. So this is our new Brahmastra indicator. This is the latest one. We have updated it many times and we have released the final update soon. Okay, AI charts जी okay got you. So this is we are currently on BTC on 30-minute chart. We can see a clear sell signal here. After the sell signal we can observe things. Let's discuss this step by step. So here it gave a breakout, we got the signal, and we can also see a structure break here. Okay, a structure break and we got the signal. Okay, we got the signal on a structure break. Okay, after that market goes a bit up. Okay, and after the little downward movement we can clearly see here the higher high formation and after that the higher low formation, but the other move after that higher low formation we can see that lower high is formed, which means the continuation of the swing is broken. Okay, the continuation of the swing structure is broken. Here higher high, higher low, and then okay, higher high, lower low, and lower high. Okay, this is lower high, so we can plan trade here. Okay, we can plan trade here on lower high. ठीक है, this will be the best entry when you don't want to trade on signals, you want to use your SMC concept or price action concept. I will let me tell you one thing. This we should always focus on this lower low part. Okay, lower high part. Okay, we always focus on lower high part. Okay, for selling we always focus on lower high part for selling. You can see the same structure is forming here. Okay, we are getting the same structure. It can be anything, lower low and higher low, it can be anything. Okay, we are interested in this part only. Okay, here we can clearly see here lower high is formed, and after that we see a downtrend move. Okay, and here a new order block is formed. Okay, on lower high a new order block is formed. So a signal trader can trade from here, a price action trader can trade from here, and a SMC trader can trade from here. So this one signal consists of three types of traders. Okay, this one signal consists of three types of traders. Okay, market goes down and make a structure break. You can say it CHOCH, change of character. Okay, a structure is broken here, and you can trade on signal, put a stop loss, you have the candle, and maintain 1:2 or 1:1.5 risk reward. Okay, and if you want to trade on lower high, okay, if you want to trade on lower high on after confirmation candle, you can take entry and take 1:5 risk reward, or you can trade via smart money concept or ICT concept. Here you can see a bearish order block is formed and market goes down and retraces back. Okay, market goes down, retraces back. Okay, retraces back and rejected from the order block. Okay, market rejected from the order block. Okay, market goes down. Okay, you can clearly see everything here. This is a 30-minute time frame. Okay, you can trade it on lower time frame as well. Okay, you can trade it. Let me remove it. You can trade it on lower time frame as well. Let me switch to 5-minute chart. Let's see what's going on. So we got signal here on a structure break. Okay, let's see on 5-minute time frame. On 5-minute time frame, we can see we got the signal. Okay, we got the signal, and here it is formed lower high. Okay, you can trade on lower high. As I said, if you trade on signal, you have to take bigger stop loss area here, and if it retraces back here, you can see a lower high formation, which is, you can see higher high, higher low, lower high, lower low, which confirms that the swing is forming. A downtrend started. How you know downtrend started? Here you can see, if market go like this, if market goes like this, it confirms higher high. Okay, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low. This is uptrend formation. In same way, we can see if lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low. So if this structure is forming, okay, you have to see, you have to confirm first which structure is forming. Okay, this is lower low and lower high. So if lower high is formed, that means the buyers is not able to break the higher high. Okay, the buyers have no power that it can break higher structure. So if lower high is formed, you can wait for one more candle, and after that you can plan your entry, and your risk reward will be 1:1.5 or 1:2. You can see here, if this candle, we can start planning here our trade. A stop loss will be here, and risk reward is up to 1:1.5. Okay, we exit here. Okay, after that we wait for another lower high formation. This is lower low. We never try to enter at this place. Okay, strictly we will not enter at any trade in this level. Okay, so we will wait for new formation of lower high. So here new lower high is formed. Okay, new lower high is formed. You can see, after this formation we can wait for another signal candle. Listen, you already know that downtrend is started, so your plan is to only enter at sell side. Okay, you already know that downtrend has started, you will enter only on sell side. Okay, also if you want more confirmation, you have to wait here higher low, lower high, lower low, lower high. ठीक, here two consecutive lower highs formed. Okay, two consecutive lower highs formed. You will wait for another confirmation. Okay, here two lower highs formed. You will wait, you can enter here, or you want to, as you are trading on very lower time frame. Okay, you are trading on 5 minutes in BTC. You know BTC is very volatile market. Okay, so fluctuations are very high. Okay, so fluctuations are very high. Okay, so here another 1:5, 1:1.5 risk reward you can maintain. Okay, your stop loss will be here, and you can maintain risk reward as to 1.5. Take a small profit. Okay, on higher time frame you can plan big, but on lower time frame don't wait for big profit. Okay, you can scalp on lower time frame, you can go long, you can hold trade on higher time frame. Okay, so here new lower low is formed. We wait for new lower high formation, and after that we can plan a trade. Okay, we can also see it here. Okay, we can plan 1:1.5, we can plan 1:1.5. Okay, so you can see on lower time frame it's started giving a beautiful structure. Okay, sell signal, after that a beautiful structure on lower time frame. Okay, after this area broken of higher time frame, we draw a trend line which is already broken here. Okay, we can see here the structure formation. Okay, we got a buy signal after that we got a structure break, boom, we got a sell signal, we got a structure break, boom, we got a buy signal, we got a structure break, boom, we got a sell signal. Okay, a structure broken already happened previously. Okay, and we got a sell signal, boom, we got a buy signal, but there is no movement at this candle is very high. Okay, so the signal was very late, so we have to wait for this fair value gap. There is a big fair value gap. Okay, there is a big fair value gap available, so we wait for fair value gap for retracement. But market came into fair value gap and goes more a bit more downside. Okay, we got sell signal, but there is a sideways market. Okay, you can filter these signals. Okay, you can on trend basis you can filter these signals. Okay, here you got a buy signal, higher low, higher high formation, but the trend continuation is not. The concept I told you earlier to confirm the trend on lower time frame is not validated here. You got higher low, got a lower high. Okay, here you got equal high, which is liquidity. Okay, here you got higher low, you can enter here. Okay, enter here, and you can okay, let me introduce you one more thing. Once you got a higher low formation, yeah, once you got a order block. Okay, this candle goes out here and we got a order block here. Market goes up upside and came back to order block and give a move. Okay, so this is the concept of order block. Whenever, okay, let me tell you one concept of order block, as this indicator uses concepts of order block. Okay, so if you got a order block, how order block is formed? How order block is formed? If market is moving upside, if market is moving upside, any candle before of that candle which changes direction, okay, means of market going to start upside, any candle which is of opposite direction. Okay, if market is bullish, any red candle, market high low, this will be your order block. ठीक है, you can consider big as well if you wish. Okay, any candle previous of one which direction changes, here you can see market going upward and the red candle is the order block. ठीक है, how it become a valid order block? ठीक है, to become a valid order block there must be a fair value gap. How you calculate fair value gap? One candle, fair value gap consists of 3 candle. Okay, fair value gap consists of 3 candle. ठीक है, this candle, the gap between 3 candle is okay, this candle and third candle, first, second, third, the gap between this is fair value gap. So any order block consisting of one fair value gap is a valid order block. Okay, any order block with one fair value gap above it is a valid order block. Remember it or mark it anywhere. You can Google it or YouTube have many videos over it. Okay, order block with fair value gap is the best order block or valid order block. Okay, so let it remove it. Here you got order block, one fair value gap, market came down, bounce back from here and boom. Okay, okay, you can see here market started going down. Market how started going down? Here you can see higher low, lower high. ठीक है, not higher high formed here, means higher high is not broken by this lower high formation. Okay, or bulls are not that strong enough to break this level. Okay, so this lower high is formed and we can see that downtrend started. Downtrend started means a bullish candle. Okay, in downtrend, a bullish candle will be the order block. In downtrend, a bullish means this is the downtrend. Okay, this is the downtrend. Your bullish candle before downtrend started is the order block. Okay, so you can mark this as the order block. You can mark this as the order block. Okay, you can mark this as the order block. And is fair value gap available here? Yes, you can see here this candle to this candle, one fair value gap from here to here is available. From this candle to this candle, here fair value gap is available. Market came down, ठीक है, hit the fair value gap, ठीक है, rejected and boom. Okay. Okay, so we have updated the tool and there are many features you can't even imagine. We got the sell signal, we got the stop loss, entry, target. You can adjust this. I have kept 1:1 risk reward. Okay, you can use it as 1.5 risk reward. You can use it as 1:2 risk reward. Okay, keep it 1:5. Okay, you can change a stop loss as well. Whatever the stop loss you want to keep, that will be your preferred stop loss. Okay, we kept a stop loss very small here, 0.25%, and our risk reward is 1.15, 1:1.5. Okay, our risk reward is 1:1.5. Okay, we can see here this is the liquidity created, liquidity taken. Here is also the liquidity. The market is in mitigation block. Okay, so this is pure smart money concept I am telling you right now. There are also many advanced things. We have got the oscillator on time. Okay, so this is the oscillator. This is 3 to 4 modes available. Okay, this is super trend RSI mode. Here you can see multi time frame RSI mode. Here you can see multi time frame multi volume mode, multi time frame ADX mode. So this indicator consists of momentum. This indicator consists of trend strength. This indicator consists of volume. So this indicator captures everything you got. You don't need any extra indicators. Okay, and you will not get bored from this tool. The tool works perfectly. Okay, we can see here multi-time frame. Currently we are on 5-minute chart, and the RSI you are seeing above is a 15-minute chart. Okay, the market in 15-minute, here you can see market goes in sideways. Here the yellow zone, you can see the yellow zone. This yellow zone is for sideways market. Market from bullish momentum came down to sideways, give a pullback, came to a zone. Okay, and where we sought, we only sought below this white zone, and we only long above this white zone. This is called dispersion line. Okay, we can also see background volume. Okay, if we wish market is going upside, okay, market is going upside, okay, we can see that volume is also green. If market is bending from upside to downside, we can see the volume is changing from green to red. Okay, so this will be the double confirmation. The market is going down, we can also see volume is increasing, selling volume is increasing. You can be confident to enter a trade in systematic way. Okay, here you can also see market came down. Okay, market came down. The RSI of 15-minute time frame is red, means RSI on 15-minute time frame is currently bearish. We are currently on 5-minute chart. Okay, So also we can see that here you can see the ADX value. ADX is rising. You can say the market structure, market is bearish, market is bullish. You can, okay, let me, okay, I think, let me check one more thing. Let me reapply. You can get exit level when other side. Okay, this is the latest one. I think the above applied was not updated. We have made changes in our oscillator. Let me fix it. And okay, so we are here now. This is on 5-minute chart frame. We can see that our after signal. Okay, what else is this? Okay, let me disable things. Okay, I don't need this directly. Let you disable it. We will look into it later. So this is one mode of indicator. Okay, this is one mode. Okay, there are other, this is RSI mode. Okay, we can disable RSI mode. We enter in multi-time frame volume mode. Okay, this is the different volume. Okay, so this is the volume mode. Okay, how volume mode works? We are currently on 5-minute chart frame, but the indicator showing you chart of or volume from the 15-minute time frame. It derives the volume from 15-minute time frame and show you on 5-minute time frame, so that you can plan your trade systematic. Okay, so here volume started rising, and from here market goes down. Here you can see 3 volume candle. Okay, so when volume started rising and above this zone, you can start planning your sales. Here you see sell, you can see rally base. Okay, so this is another volume mode. You can use it on any time frame. Okay, it works perfectly. It works like charm. Here you see, you got the signal, you got the structure break. Here you enter, and also volume is confirming enter. So close your eyes and enter the trade. If any price, any trend is supported by volume, you can plan your trade. As in last videos, I have already told why this concept is, why this concept belongs to here. You may heard, if you are a trader, you may heard price volume concept. Okay, you may heard price volume concept. Let me show you. Okay, this looks good. Hope hope is it clear? I think it's visual. Okay, if price is increasing, volume is increasing, uptrend supported by volume, look for long entries. Okay, this concept you can apply here. If price is increasing, volume is increasing, look for long signal. Okay, if price is increasing, volume is increasing, look for long signal. Okay, in future we will bring many major updates, or may include this concept in signals. Okay, so there are so much times, a long time we can implement this concept in signals as well. Okay, so here you can see in this downtrend, okay, we can see here if price is decreasing, here if price is decreasing, volume is increasing, downtrend supported by volume, look for short entry. If price is decreasing and volume is increasing, if price is decreasing, volume is increasing, है ना? If price is decreasing, volume is increasing, look for downtrend. Okay, same here, if price is increasing, volume is increasing, look for uptrend. If price is decreasing, selling volume is increasing, look for downtrend. Same here, if price is increasing, volume is increasing, look for uptrend. So this way you can catch the momentum, catch the strength. This will give you better entries, quick scalping. Okay, same concept applies here. If price is decreasing, volume is increasing, go for short trade. If any trade supported by volume will help you earn good money. Okay, so these are concepts we learn from years or months. Many people are learning still, and many people already know these things. So these things are public data available on Google, okay, or you can also see it on YouTube. These are the concepts. Okay, our indicator is not just a copy paste, not something you can trade for signals or you will become millionaire from the indicator. If you think this concept works in trading, this indicator is for you. If you want every signal to become or to make you rich or billionaire, this indicator is not for you. Okay, if this is not something holy grail you want or you think that you will purchase it and you will become billionaire. You have to learn, you have to grow yourself step by step by learning things. Okay, so this is another mode. We can also go here. The combo is RSI multi-time frame, RSI with trend strength. Here you can enable ADX mode. This will give you the idea about how market momentum is behaving, and how, oh my god, this looks so much creepy. Okay, let's understand this. You don't need to learn anything from anywhere. I will guide how to trade. You don't need to learn everything in trading. The more knowledge you have, the more losses you make. Fewer knowledge can make you here you can see this downtrend movement, and the here strength is increasing. Okay, we can also apply it on currently this is on 5-minute chart. I think there is some, let me check, manual chart. Okay, there is also 3 mode: lower time frame, higher time frame. Okay, my every indicator is made multi time frame. Okay, so let me close this and okay, here you can see the market is in range. The indicator, the best function, the best thing about this indicator is it gives you idea when market is in range. From here to here, market is in range. From here to here, market is in range. This works well in Nifty, Bank Nifty, when market traps you in a range. Okay, in less volatile market, this indicator works best. Okay, here you can see market is in range. Also, here you can see market is in range here. Many people say how to decide. Many people think how to decide कि market is in range or market will give momentum or not. Here you can see market is in range. Okay, the market didn't give any perfect signal. Okay, we got a signal of buy but very less momentum. ठीक है, when market goes out of this, out of this zone here, out of this zone, and this ADX started growing, we can see how strong the momentum is or how strong the trend is. Okay, same here you can see, same here when this red line it crosses this ADX line, you can see a strong downside move. Same here you can see when ADX line is crossed by this bull power, you can see how strong the market goes. You can exit the trade here. So this indicator gives you idea. Okay, this indicator gives you idea to enter the trade, exit the trade, even if the signal is not there. Okay, you can see a strong momentum or trade, you plan your trade accordingly. So this market is in range. Okay, so market is in range. We don't wish to go anything buy here. Okay, market is in range. This will trap you. Okay, market is in range. Okay, on lower time frame market is in range always. Okay, in lower time frame here market gave a breakout, here market gave a breakout. Okay, again market is in range, here market gave breakout, market is in range, here market gave breakout. So whenever, so this is live BTC. Okay, this is live BTC. The BTC is live now. Okay, you can see the time frame here. The BTC is live now. Market is still bearish. We don't wish to go any long side. Market is still bearish. Okay, on 5-minute time frame, market is still bearish. We will plan long trade only if it confirms. Okay, there is also one mode. Let me disable this. There is also one mode called trailing a stop RSI. Okay, trailing a stop RSI. This will also confirm you the best trend or RSI is going to move. Okay, so this you can see. This is the zone. Here you can see 40 and 50 level. This is the zone. Okay, always look for. Here you can see you got short here. Okay, you have to short. You can see go down. It started to go upside, but we will enter only if this tries to cross this level. Okay, we only enter on long side only if it tries to cross this 40-50 level. Okay, if it tries to cross 40-50 level, we can go for long. Okay, here you can see market gave crossover in above 40 zone. Okay, market gave crossover above 40 zone. Market give a pump and market then came to consolidation zone here. Okay, market started going down here. You can see here as well. Okay, due to high fluctuation in lower time frame, I think this will not work. In higher time frame we can see, in higher time frame we can see. So the system consists of lower time frame, higher time frame, every kind of things added here. Okay, so market started to go up and rejected from zone, a market going down from here. Okay, down, pull back, down, pull back, down. Okay, this is live BTC chart. Okay, same here, market going down. 1 minute. Let's we can see here, let's go on 1 minute time frame. Okay, so some people prefers 1 minute time frame. Let's go on 1 minute time frame. What happens? I think remove these drawings. Let's go on 1 minute time frame and plan accordingly what's happening here. Okay, so side by side I'm explaining everything. Okay, side by side I'm explaining everything to you. So we will try to volume divergence, we will check volume divergence on lower time frame. One minute chart is creepy. Let me switch to 5 minute. Due to high volatility, market becomes stress. So this is 5 minute time frame. You can see market is bouncing good. From here, market is bouncing good from order block zone. Okay, you got the signal, you got the entry price here, and you target 1:1 is this reward you got already. 1:1, where is, I think I have switched it to 1:5. Let it 1:1. Okay, market is going good, but we will not enter here. Okay, we will not. We will not enter there until a higher high is formed and higher low is formed. We will not enter this trade. Okay, we will not enter this trade. This is bad. Okay, I am updating my new number and new Telegram ID on my channel. I think it will be good. So I think people are visiting old channels. So let me correct it. And here we go. We are updating our channel. WhatsApp. We will also. I think WhatsApp is right. Okay. Done. So this is forming, but we will not enter a short trade. Okay, so in latest version, okay, let me tell you one more thing. In latest version of Brahmastra, we have included this volume divergence, which will give you early confidence to enter the trade. Okay, this will give you early confidence to enter the trade. Here you can see the volume started going down, and from here volume goes to down side here, and we got the signal. Here you can see volume is increasing. Okay, volume is increasing, and we can see here this is going up. Once it crosses above this baseline, we can plan for the long trade. Okay, we can plan for the long trade. Okay, back test it. We can back test it. Okay, here you can see this sell side. Okay, we can plan it. Here you go long side. Here long side. Okay, here you go short side. Here you go short side. You can plan early if you are confident, you have price action knowledge, you are smart enough, you can enter early. Okay, you can enter the trade here. Okay, you can when people enter the trade, you already have booked your profit. Okay, so it has two modes. Okay, so it have two modes. Here you can also see signal here confirm. Okay, and we can see we got a sell signal here. Okay, so you can plan a sell trade before getting signal. Okay, so when people started, when people trying to enter the trade, you already exited your trade. Okay, with confidence, you got the fair value gap, you got the order block, you got the fair value gap, you got rejection from fair value gap, and boom, a structure broken, and you ready to go. Okay, simple. You got a higher low, you got a higher high. Okay, if you got a order block formation, it is automatic. Okay, if you got a order block formation, market goes down. Okay, market goes down and goes back to take the fair value gap here, है ना? Everything you will get automatic. Okay, and you can see also big candle rejection from order block zone. This is I think very much interesting. You can't believe how, if you trade with this, you don't know. I think what concept I have added in this, you can't believe. Each and every point have region. Each and every point have its region. Okay, this a small area. Okay, this very small area. This a small area. Okay, consists of a structure break, order block, fair value gap, pullback, rejection, liquidity taken, everything. You got a early signal, everything. You will love it. You will love it. Seriously, you may not seen such kind of indicators, such kind of details. Okay, you got, if you are smart enough, you have entered enough. Okay, and put your stop loss. If you're not smart enough, you want confirm signal, you have entered here. Okay, you have entered here. Okay, buy trade, boom, signal comes this late and you have already exited. Okay, so the people trading on signals, people try to trade on signals, will be always be late. Okay, people try to trade on signals is always be late on lower time frame. Okay, not on higher time frame. People trading on signal will be late on lower time frame only. Okay, people must have to wait for signals on higher time frame. Okay, because this is very volatile market. In volatile market you can't hold a trade in shorter time frame. Okay, until you know what the higher time frame is trying to do, you can't hold a trade. Okay, so you have to scalp on lower time frame, you have to hold a trade on higher time frame. You can't hold a trade on lower time frame until you know what's higher time frame is saying. ओके, छोटे टाइम फ्रेम में आप सिग्नल्स या आप ट्रेड को ज्यादा होल्ड करोगे तो आपका लॉस होएगा. ठीक है, अपने को लॉस से बचाना है तो बड़े टाइम फ्रेम को देख के ही आप छोटे टाइम फ्रेम का एनालिसिस करो तो ज्यादा बेहतर होगा. ओके, सो यू कैन ऑल्सो सी हेयर the uptrend started, the confirmation came here, the confirmation came here. Okay, the confirmation came here when volume is above the baseline, when volume is above the baseline. Already I told you the concept. Market goes up, form a bullish block, bullish order block, market came down, take any remaining fair value gap, taken rejected from the order block, and boom, market came down, formed order block, rejected from it. Okay, rejected from it, boom. This is the automatic formation. This is the automatic formation. Okay, if I switch off the signal, let me switch off the signal. Okay, I am disabling it. Let me switch off the signal. Let's see. Here now the signal is switched off and you will see only early signals. Okay, this is advanced mode. Okay, that one was signal mode. This is advanced mode. How advanced mode? We have included your price action. We have included your structure break. We have included fair value gap, order block, momentum, breakout. We have included everything what a trader need. Okay, if signal is off. Okay, if signal is off, you can see. Okay. I am saying signal is off currently on BTC. You can do it for gold and any forex pair. It works nicely. मतलब बहुत अच्छा काम करता है उस पर. ठीक है, अभी आप इस पे देखोगे कि यहाँ पे एक ऑर्डर ब्लॉक का फॉर्मेशन हुआ. ओके, यहाँ पे एक ब्रेकर ब्लॉक बना. ओके, ये ब्रेक हो गया यहाँ पे. ठीक है, ये जो भी जोन बना था पिवट का, ऊपर का जो सपोर्ट रेजिस्टेंस होता है वो फॉर्म हुआ और ये ब्रेक हो गया. यहाँ पे क्या हुआ? स्ट्रक्चर ब्रेक हो गया. ओके, स्ट्रक्चर ब्रेक हो गया कि मार्केट जो, और यहाँ देखो इक्वल लो बना है. इक्वल लो बना मतलब मार्केट इज नॉट स्ट्रॉन्ग इनफ टू गो मोर डाउन साइड देन द प्रीवियस लो. ओके, मार्केट में इतनी ताकत नहीं बची है. ओके, मार्केट में इतनी ताकत नहीं बची है कि मार्केट इससे ज्यादा और नीचे जा सकता है. ठीक है, मार्केट में इतनी ताकत नहीं बची है, बियर्स में इतनी ताकत नहीं बची है कि वो मार्केट को यहाँ से और नीचे लेके जा सकते हैं. दैट्स व्हाई इक्वल लो इज फॉर्म्ड हियर. ओके, अगर यहाँ पे वो स्ट्रांग होते तो क्या होता? अगर यहाँ पे बियर्स स्ट्रांग होते तो क्या होता? मार्केट और नीचे जाता, नया लोअर लो फॉर्मेशन होता. लेकिन यहाँ पे इक्वल लो का फॉर्मेशन हुआ, बुल के पावर चालू हो गए, बियर्स के पावर खत्म हो गए. इस कारण से मार्केट यहाँ पे गया. सेम आप देख सकते हो यहाँ पे इक्वल हाई का फॉर्मेशन क्यों हुआ? क्योंकि ये जो हाई बना था, इस हाई को ब्रेक करने की ताकत मार्केट में नहीं है. ओके, सेम यहाँ पे देख सकते हो इक्वल लो का फॉर्मेशन क्यों हुआ? मार्केट में इतनी ताकत नहीं बची है कि मार्केट इस लो को ब्रेक कर पाए, इसलिए मार्केट ऊपर गया इक्वल लो फॉर्म करके. सेम इक्वल हाई. ठीक है, और भी जगह देख सकते हो यहाँ इक्वल हाई. ठीक है, मार्केट एक लोअर हाई बनाया, लेकिन मार्केट के पास इतनी ताकत नहीं है कि वो इसको ब्रेक करके और ऊपर जा सके, तो यहाँ इक्वल हाई का फॉर्मेशन हुआ. ठीक है, ओके, सो यहाँ पे डिस्कस करते हैं कि क्या चीजें दिख रही है आपको. मार्केट बियरिश ट्रेंड में था, मार्केट ने स्ट्रक्चर ब्रेक दिया, मार्केट ने पुल बैक लिया. ठीक है, मार्केट ने रिजेक्शन, यहाँ इक्वल लो देख सकते हो, यहाँ पे आराम से रिजेक्शन से आप एंट्री बना सकते थे. ठीक है, उसके बाद यहाँ पे देखिए, यहाँ पे एक सिग्नल आया, ये ब्रेकआउट सिग्नल है. ठीक है, यहाँ पे सिग्नल आया, ब्रेकआउट सिग्नल, आप यहाँ पे भी एंट्री कर सकते थे। यहाँ पे इंडिकेटर ने सिग्नल दिया, यहाँ पे अर्ली सिग्नल आया, यहाँ पे प्राइस एक्शन वाले ट्रेडर यहाँ पे आ गए, और उसके बाद यहाँ पे स्मार्ट मनी वाले ट्रेडर आ गए। Okay, I am showing you fake signal. Okay, so this area you may got the fake signal. I think when it gave a small move, let me find some fake signal on BTC 5-minute time frame. Let me see fake signal, where is it? Where it is? I think here these two are fake signal. Okay, you can see these two are fake signal. How to ignore it? We have a function called no trading zone. We have a function called no trading zone. You can enable it. Okay, you have to enable it. Disable no trading zone signal. Okay, you have to disable this. When no trading zone is enabled, okay, let me take this. Okay, so we have applied no trading zone. Actually, let me change so canvas color. Okay, I think I can explain better on this color. Okay, so no trading zone, you can see this no trading zone here. Okay, to avoid to avoid false signal, you can use trend filter. You can use our oscillator as well. So see here you can see two false signal. Here you can see two false signal or one false signal. Okay, we can avoid it by using trend filter. Okay, so this is the trend filter. Okay, the value is 200 EMA. Okay, so if you apply 200 EMA trend filter, every signal above 200 EMA you will get only buy signal, and here you only get buy signal. Okay, and this signal is due to high volatility. Okay, sometimes you can see that this signal is of very high volatility. We have also option to ignore it as well. Okay, we can see that here you didn't got sell signal, you got only buy signal. Here you didn't got any sell signal, you got only buy signal. Okay, so anything above this 200 EMA, okay, this is another kind of 200 moving average. So any signal above this 200 EMA you only get a buy signal. Okay, above this you only get a buy signal. Okay, no sell signal, buy signal, buy signal. This sell signal is due to high volatility. You can see that market forms very high wick. Okay, very high wick and closes below 200 EMA and again pump. You can also see this in Nifty, Bank Nifty as well. The market goes gap up, gap down very rapidly. You see, you didn't got any buy signal here. You got sell signal and you got buy signal as well here. But the momentum is strong. A big candle is formed over 200 EMA. We have option to ignore it as well. Okay, we are not taking any help of oscillator. Okay, currently we are not taking any help of oscillator. we will learn how to take help of oscillator to avoid false signal. Currently we are explaining main indicator, so how can we avoid our main signal. Okay, we have multi time frame Bollinger Band for volatility. Let me check this. Let me disable this. Currently we are on 5-minute chart frame, and we can, if we want to ignore signals, we can use higher time frame. Okay, so we have applied currently multi time frame Bollinger Band volatility filter. Okay, we have applied multi time frame Bollinger Band volatility filter, and the time frame will be 15 minutes. Currently we are on 5 minutes, but time frame will be on 15 minutes. What I've selected. Okay, so you can see when when volatility filter is enabled, we see a sell signal. And whatever you got, whatever you are getting this false signal due to volatility, the volatility filter, after applying volatility filter, the signal removed. We also got one volatility signal. Let me check that one. Okay, we got buy here. Where was that fake signal? Let me find. I don't think the signal removed. So after applying this volatility filter on 15-minute time frame, all the fake signals got removed. Here you got buy signal rejected from this 50. You can change anything. You can change it to 20 EMA, 10 EMA, 5 EMA, 300 EMA, whatever you want, whatever volatility thing you want, you can change it. Okay, I have made everything multi time frame. Okay, so you can use this way to avoid volatile signal. Okay, now you can see many signals are removed. So this is the drawback of using filter, that many strong signal or many good signals also removed due to volatility. As you know, market are very volatile. Okay, markets are not as simple as we see. Market are very volatile. Okay, so let me take help of oscillator. Okay, let's remove this. Remove this filter. Where is it? Let me disable this filter. Okay, let me disable this filter. Okay, and I try to this thing on 15-minute chart. Let me try to implement no trading zone on 15-minute chart. Let's see what happens. See, this is the no trading zone of 15 minutes. Okay, this is the no trading zone of 15 minutes. How to trade it? How you will trade this kind of things? Okay, this is the box concept. You can see this is the box. Okay, to find a range, whenever box is broken, whatever side. Okay, whenever box is broken. Okay, whenever box is broken, you have to plan trade on that side. If box is broken downside, you will go for downside trade. Okay, you will go for downside trade. Let me tell you with another example. Okay, so this is the box. This is the box of 15-minute time frame. 15-minute time frame market is currently in sideways. I told you you can a scalp only on lower time frame. You can see here clearly that 15-minute time frame is showing sideways market. Still you got a buy signal, but 15 minute is still in sell zone, so you will not get good momentum. Okay, see, momentum candle started and it reverses. One momentum candle and boom, here reverses. Let me find. Okay, here you also got in 15-minute time frame. Here you got a no trading zone. Here you got a no trading zone. Market still market still goes out of the zone, but this was the no trading zone on 15-minute time frame. Only this area. Okay, this area was no trading zone on 15-minute time frame. Here also you can see this is the no trading zone. Okay, this is the no trading zone. Okay, also this was the no trading zone on 15-minute time frame. This was the no trading zone. Market may have taken liquidity and boom. Okay, so let me disable this. And so this indicator is mainly of multi-time frame. Okay, everything you get here is of multi-time frame. Let me disable this, and tell you one more filter which I like is super trend. Very common feature, very common indicator. Everyone know what is super trend. Okay, and here you can also super trend thin gradient. You can select super trend thin gradient. Currently on 5-minute time frame. Okay, I am currently on 5-minute time frame, and you can see here higher time frame mode is enabled, and this is auto, which means whenever I am 5-minute chart, it shows you a 15-minute chart. Okay, you can also select it to 30-minute time frame. It works good. Select it to manual and do it for 30-minute time frame. It works good. There are 25 mode of color. Okay, you got a sell signal, you got here rejected, here rejected, here, and this shifted upside move, here rejected. Okay, rejected on this. These are the protective zone. When you zoom it, you will get some lines, 1 line, 2 line, 3 line, 4. These are protective zones. Okay, so this way you can consider on 30-minute time frame what market wants to do. On 30-minute time frame, market is bullish. You wait for pullback, you get a signal, you got a trade, boom, you got a pullback, you got a signal. Okay, ठीक है, market become bearish, wait for it to reject from here. Market didn't reject it and closes back above, wait for it. Here you got a early signal, a structure broke and upside. Okay, this will also help you to plan your trade accordingly. You got a buy signal, you got rejection, 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 boom. Okay, you got rejection, boom, you got rejection, boom. Okay, these are from multi hour time frame. You can see that you got a sell signal. Here super trend is downtrend on 30-minute time frame. You got lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, low. See how clean a structure is this. How clean a structure is this. Lower low, lower high, lower low. Okay, let me switch it to 15-minute time frame. 30-minute is a bit bigger. Let me switch it to 15-minute time frame. You will see the real rejection. You will see the real rejection. Let it load. Let me change this. I don't like this color. Okay, so you got a sell signal when 15-minute is bearish. You got a sell signal when 15-minute is bearish, or as I told you, 15-minute is bearish, wait for pullback, boom, 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 wait for pullback, boom. Okay, market changes and goes to uptrend. Okay, market again came to downtrend. Okay, these are sideways market. When you see, these are sideways market. How to know these are sideways market? How to know if the market will move or not? Let me show you with indicator. Let me enable RSI. Okay, let me enable RSI. This is also when I enable RSI. This is also on 15 minute. I have selected auto. By default it is auto. Okay, by default it is auto. Okay, the RSI is saying that momentum is of upside, but market goes in this zone. Market goes in this zone. Sideways market. Market tries to take liquidity. Market again come to this zone. Some people say, sir, I am too confused to operate it from here, that market will go up, market will go down. Okay, so here you go with this ADX. What ADX told you? ADX tell you whatever the trend started, is that trend strong enough to give you a trend? Is that trend strong enough to give you a momentum? Is that trend strong enough to make you profitable? So here you can clearly see that this zone is market going in sideways market. In this zone, market went to sideways market. So you always know, in sideways market, the more losses you make always happens in sideways market. Okay, so whenever this RSI told you the momentum means market is going up, market is going down. Okay, RSI is a momentum indicator. ADX, the full form of ADX is average directional index. Okay, this tells you the momentum, the trend or the side in which market is moving. Okay, the inside the market is moving, is that strong enough to go uh, in such a way that it makes you profitable or not? Even if you enter a trade, here you can see many people in Nifty. Let's take example of Nifty. Many people enter the trade. Okay, many people want to buy. Okay, many people want to buy option. Okay, many people enter and keep holding. Market will go up, market will go up, market will go up. But how you know market will go up? How you know? Here RSI, the indicator you using, is saying market is going up. But how? Here you can clearly see market is in sideways. Okay, this region tells you market is in sideways. Okay, market is in sideways. Here you can also see, let me, okay, oh wait, here you can also see whatever let me disable this to show you clearly. Market is bearish. Okay, you got market is bearish. You try to enter sell side, but you can see market is bearish. Why you entering the trade? Market is bearish, don't enter in trade. Okay, this is the sideways zone. Why you entering a trade? The main reason, people are very confused in this, when to enter the trade. Our indicator, our the system which we have implemented tells you when to enter the trade, when to exit a trade, when to be in a trade. Okay, so this is not what my concept. This is the concept of users who uses it. They have raised questions. This is the problem we are facing. So we have made this for them. Okay, let me disable this coloring mode. Oh, super typical. Okay, I am selecting a signal gradient mode. I am selecting TSI gradient mode. What is TSI? TSI is trend strength index. Okay, TSI is trend strength index. Okay, this will tell you how this is based on RSI and momentum. Okay, this is based on RSI and momentum. Okay, if market is bearish, market goes down, it forms red candle. Market is in sideways, formed yellow candle. Market is in bullish, it forms a green candle. There is also a setting. Let me set it to oh, okay, I only want above 55 to bullish and below 40 to bearish. Okay, you can define what value you want. Okay, I want only green signal above 55 RSI level and below 40 only red signal. Okay, so you can set here and the things will come up. Okay, so you can see on BTC 5-minute time frame, you can see market is going down, and down sideways, down sideways, down sideways, down sideways. Here you got a bullish signal. Okay, this is manipulation. Here you got a bullish signal. This is manipulation. You can see this is liquidity taken. Okay, the liquidity was taken here. You can also see the liquidity taken here. So liquidity is one of the best concept. I actually love this concept, liquidity. So we have included it in this. Okay, liquidity taken, market came down. Liquidity taken, market goes up. Okay, same. It's happening everywhere. Okay, we have many color modes. We have signal mode. This color mode is based on signals. Let me show you. Whenever buy signal, it gives you green color. Whenever sell signal, it gives you red color. Okay, so there is a sell signal. You can see there is full red signal. There is buy signal with rising momentum. You can see a dark green. Okay, if falling, you can see light green. Same here. Okay, these are sideways market. You can avoid it. Okay, these are sideways market. Here you can also see you can see this zone. This is a sideways market. This zone is a sideways market. This zone is a sideways market. You can see here. So when you want to trade, or when you want to take momentum or catch momentum, you can take it here. See, market is in full sideways market. Okay, the RSI. Okay, one more thing, how to track this. You will see, sir, how to track this. We can't track everything, so you don't have to. You can get everything here. Okay, you will get ADX value. You will get buying volume, increasing, decreasing. Okay, you can see ADX time frame. You can see ADX higher time frame. Okay, let me introduce you with one more update. We have included higher time frame as well as lower time frame. ADX mode, currently it's manual. Manual means currently whatever time frame selected on chart, you will get ADX value from that. If you select lower time frame, okay, if you select lower time frame, you will get ADX value from lower time frame whatever you are on it. If you are on 5-minute time frame, you will get ADX value from 3 minutes. If you are on 15-minute time frame, you will get ADX value from 5-minute chart time frame. So in this way, you will not miss any move. Okay, so you can see here. ADX is increasing. Okay, bearish move has started. Okay, let me disable this to give you idea about it clearly. Okay, so you can see here market was in sideways. Okay, market was in sideways, correct? After that, the ADX level started to rise. From this level and goes to this level above 20. You can also see the bull power here. This one is the bear power, this green one is the bull power. Okay, so bears are strong enough, bears are strong here than bull. You can also see that the average directional index is crossed by this bull power. Okay, bulls crosses here. Okay, bull crosses here, and you can see the move currently on 15-minute chart time frame. Okay, before whatever it's happening here, you can see that an order block is formed and fair value gap is formed and it's taken and it's boom. Simple concept. Order block, fair value gap, rejection. Okay, order block, first order block, fair value gap, rejection, and boom. Order, fair value gap, rejection, and boom. Order block, fair value gap, rejection, and boom. Okay. So this is lower time frame mode, and you can see whatever lower time frame currently on a 15-minute time frame, but here you can see 5-minute time frame. Let's apply it on higher time frame. Okay, currently I am on 5-minute time frame. Let's apply it on higher time frame. Okay, let's apply it on higher time frame, and let me switch to 5-minute time frame. Let's see what happened on 15-minute time frame. What is the strength? What is the strength? You can see clearly here. You can see clearly here. ADX is rising. ADX is rising on higher time frame. Okay, ADX is rising on higher time frame. Okay, means the trend strength is very strong. You can also see here ADX is rising on higher time frame. Trend strength is very strong. Okay, ADX is decreasing. Market goes to sideways. Market, this bull power strong. Bull power goes strong here, and ADX is increasing. Okay. Currently only BTC market is active. Let me check on Ethereum, ETH/USDT. Let me check on Ethereum on 5-minute chart time frame. What? Okay, I think Ethereum market is better than. Okay, I am telling you concept, how to enter, how to avoid signal. Okay, so let me close this. Some people were asking how to avoid false signal. So we have 4 to 5 concepts using Brahmastra. I am telling 1 to 2. Okay, I am telling 1 to 2 with you. I am sharing. Whenever you get a signal, okay, remember. Let me type. So whenever you get a signal, mark high of the candle. Okay, enter only ever high of the candle, or if any candle retraces back to any order block or fair value gap or liquidity. Okay, enter on high of the retraced candle. Okay, so this is the one concept we use. Let's apply it on chart. Here you got the signal. Okay, here you got the signal. Okay, on this candle you got the signal. This is the high closing. You can mark high. Okay, you can mark high. One more, you can mark this. Two way to enter it. Okay, whatever the high, whenever you got a signal, you have to look for it. Always enter ever high of this candle. So the candle didn't got here, so this candle is invalid. Okay, same here. Always enter on high of the candle. Rejected, not. Here you can see enter on high of the candle. Okay, enter on high of the candle. Enter above high of the candle. Okay, you can clearly see how to avoid false signal. Enter only above high of the signal. Okay, enter high of the signal. Okay, enter high of the candle. Now you can clearly see what I am trying to tell you. Okay, now you can clearly see what I am trying to tell you. These are live. Okay, you can't say that I am selecting only the best signals. These are live. You can watch anytime, anything you can watch here. Okay, enter only above it. This is the one concept we use. Okay, some people are asking how to avoid signal. Just follow my simple rule. Enter only above of this. No candle formation, no candle formation above this, matlab below this. Enter only above. This is just one rule. I have this one rule is enough to find a trade is good or bad. Okay, enter on the above of the candle. Okay, hope you can clearly see now. Okay, this got let me, where it is highlighted. This got correct. Okay, this got correct. Okay, invalid. This got correct. 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 Okay, this got invalid. Okay, why? The candle formed and no candle is below this. Okay, this also got invalid. Okay, this also got invalid. So this is the way you can avoid. Either you take help of the tool. Okay, this is side market. Okay, you can see this is the sideways market. This is the sideways market. You will always get wrong signals. This is the sideways market and you always get wrong signals here. Enter on high. Okay, it's goes a bit high, go high, and there was also a order block, a zone which from it rejected. Good, this is also rejected. Okay, so I think this is enough for today. Also, tell me one more thing. Tell me one more thing out of this. You can see whatever here. These are green, red. Okay, so this you got a multi-time frame sell signal. Okay, multi-time frame means you are on 5-minute chart where it is showing 15-minute. This is 15-minute MACD. There are more concepts inside it, but you can consider this 15-minute MACD and other things signal are bearish. So 15-minute is bearish, boom. Here 15-minute MACD is going bullish, but you can't rely directly on it. Okay, you can't rely directly on it. It's just give you an idea. Here 15-minute MACD is bullish. Okay, here 15-minute MACD is bearish. Okay, here 15-minute MACD is bullish. Here 15-minute MACD is bearish. So you can't just directly, you have to use one to two to three things to confirm a trade. Here 15-minute MACD is bullish. Okay, here got bullish, bearish. Okay, 15-minute MACD is bearish. Okay, so there are many things. If you join lifetime, you can see more future updates. There are many scopes. Okay, 15-minute time frame is bearish. Okay, there are many things. I can't explain everything in just one day. Okay, I can't explain everything in just one day. There are many concepts inside it. Okay, there are support resistance zones, there are automatic Fibonacci. Okay, there are many concepts. You will learn slowly. I will try to make reels and see here. This is the line. This got bearish. This got transition, yellow color. Okay, this so sideways market. This is flat and something makes green, yellow, green, yellow. Green showing upward momentum. Green showing upward momentum. Yellow is transition. Upward momentum, downward momentum. Okay, upward momentum, flatten, downward, 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 upward, downward. So there are many things. Okay, okay, this one, and you can also see this how beautiful it's working. Okay, market goes up, came down, rejected, came down, rejected, came down, rejected. So it's fantastic. Okay, this is BTC live trade. It's formed higher low already. Okay, higher low, order block, fair value gap, rejection. Okay, now market is ready to go up in 5-minute time frame. BTC market is ready to go up according to the ICT concept, as there is a order block. As I told you, let's see what happened. It's live. I don't know what will happen. Market, this I told you the concept: order block, fair value gap, rejection, and boom. You have to see what happened. Okay, you have to see what happened. Let me take what this indicators. Let's see what happened. Okay, so market is ready to go up, guys. BTC market is ready to go up. How? There is order block, there is fair value gap. You can plan your trade like this. Let me tell you this. Okay, this 1:1.5. Okay, you can DCA as well. Okay, if you want, you can DCA as well. This is live trade. You can DCA. If it comes here, this is the best zone to enter. Okay, let's test what happens. Okay, so bye for now. You can contact me on Telegram, contact me on WhatsApp. uh, I can give access in only 2 to 3 days. Okay, I'm available 2 to 3 days only. If you want to take access, you can take. For learning, you are always with me for lifetime. You can learn anything, any concepts. Everything is free. Okay, so bye for now. Let's observe it. This was the trade given. You can see here order block, above order block. The market will go up to this. Okay, you can DCA here, DCA here. Okay, if market comes, take down liquidity. Let me check if there is any liquidity available. Oh, liquidity. Okay, market have taken this liquidity, and market will take this liquidity. Okay, 1 4 hour. Now market will take this liquidity. Market have already taken this liquidity. This to 30-minute time frame. This liquidity grabbed. This is very okay. So the above target is already mentioned. Okay, you can plan it.